Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited. I have been invited by At Home with Lisa to join a collaboration of lovely ladies that will be decorating the All Things Decor tabletop today. And it's hosted by Debbie Bubbles, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Guest host is Kreating with Mz Kaye, and co-hosts are Decorating with Jazigreen, Deborah Cabassa, Home Living, Designs with Emma, Sandylyn Home and Garden, Kreating with Mz Kaye, Lifestyle Design with Teresa, and myself, Sonia Down South. Okay, I'm going to be decorating this entryway table, and I have some decorations. Now I'm going to decorate it for the fall, but I like to keep it really simple. So I'm not going to have a lot on the table, but I want to have a nice little fall arrangement with some pumpkins on the table. So we're going to get started. This tray is called Mother of Pearl, and I have a collection of trays and bases in this texture material called Mother of Pearl. And because I have accents of gold inside of my mirror, it's cream and gold, I always like to put some gold on the table so that it can blend in with the mirror and just give it a kind of cohesive look here on the table with the mirror. This lantern, I bought two of them. I put one in my dining area, and I bought this one for the foyer here to put here. And it's got a light on it, so the lantern lights up, and I thought that was really nice. So I bought this lantern for this area. And this lantern came from Hobby Lobby. So this is where I purchased that at. I bought these two little pumpkins. They say Grateful, and they came from the Dollar Tree. This base was originally teal color, and I brought it outside and I sprayed it with some cream color. It's like a taupey cream color. And so this is a DIY project. I just sprayed it about an hour or two ago, and it's dry now, so it dried really in time for this video. And this little arrangement is really pretty for the fall. I thought the colors were really nice for the fall. And I purchased this at Home Goods store. And it's just a little arrangement with some little leaves on the back and flowers in the front. And this is another little pumpkin. They came in all colors. They came in green, orange, and this beige color. I wanted the beige to keep the theme going here. And it came from the Dollar Tree as well. Okay guys, here is my final decoration for All Things Decor tabletop in the collaboration with the other ladies. And I want to thank the ladies for allowing me to be in this collaboration. It's really fun. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that I have inspired you with something to decorate your entryway table with for the fall. May God bless you. May God keep you. Bye-bye.